Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon laminator. First, unbox your laminator and find a stable, flat surface. Plug it into a grounded outlet. Next, power it on and choose your pouch thickness, usually 3 mil or 5 mil. Give it about 3 to 5 minutes to warm up. The ready light will tell you when it's good to go, ensuring perfect lamination from the start. Now let's laminate. Carefully place your document inside a laminating pouch, making sure it's centered with at least 1/8 of an inch of clear space on all sides. Insert the sealed edge of the pouch into the laminator's feed slot, keeping it straight. The machine will smoothly pull it through, sealing your item. Once it exits, let it cool flat for about 1 minute to ensure a perfectly flat, durable finish. For the best results, always use quality laminating pouches, either 3 mil or 5 mil, that match your machine. If you're laminating delicate items, a carrier sheet can prevent wrinkles and ensure smooth feeding. Remember not to overfill pouches. Leave at least 1/8 inch of clear space for a strong seal. For thicker documents, a second pass through the laminator can guarantee a perfectly sealed, professional-looking finish. To keep your laminator in top shape, regularly clean the rollers with a soft, dry cloth to remove any adhesive. If a pouch ever jams, turn off the machine right away and gently pull it out. Store your laminator in a cool, dry place when not in use. This helps extend its life. For persistent issues, always check your user manual or reach out to customer support for expert assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.